Imagine protecting your engine and slowly destroying it at the same time. Sounds impossible, right? But some engine oils can actually increase wear quietly, invisibly, until one day you're hit with a massive repair bill. Why engine oil matters more than most drivers think. Most drivers think oil just lubricates. In reality, it cools, cleans, protects, and stabilizes your engine under extreme stress. Modern engines depend on oil chemistry more than ever, and when that chemistry breaks down, protection disappears fast. No warning, no noise, just silent wear building up inside. Section 1: The Engine Oil Test Setup. In controlled lab tests, identical engines were run with different oils. Everything stayed the same except the oil. Engineers tracked microscopic metal particles inside the oil to measure wear. And here's the catch: engines can look perfectly fine while slowly wearing out from the inside. The surprising wear pattern. At first, all oils performed similarly, but after a few thousand miles, one oil showed rising iron levels, clear evidence of increased internal wear. The engine still sounded smoothly, but inside, friction was growing. What happens when oil film weakens? Your engine survives on a thin oil film. When that film weakens, metal starts touching metal. This is where real damage begins. Over time, it leads to heat buildup, worn components, and expensive repairs that seem to come out of nowhere. Section 2: Real-world driving versus laboratory testing. Lab tests are controlled, real life is. Short trips, traffic, and cold starts introduce fuel into the oil, thinning it out and weakening protection. So even good oil can struggle under everyday driving conditions. The oil breakdown problem. All oil degrades. Heat and contamination break it down, reducing its effectiveness. In testing, weaker oil oxidized faster, thickening, forming sludge, and restricting flow. Once that happens, protection drops quickly. The camshaft wear discovery. After teardown, engineers found increased wear on camshaft lobes in the engine using weaker oil. Not catastrophic, but enough to shorten engine life over time. Section 3: The role of heat stability. Modern engines run hotter. Some oils handle heat better than others. When oil loses stability under heat, the protective layer thins and wear accelerates. The fuel dilution factor. Fuel mixing with oil reduces its thickness. Thinner oil means weaker protection. In testing, some oils handled this better than others, while weaker ones showed higher wear. Section 4: Why engines don't fail immediately. Because damage is slow. One bad oil change won't kill your engine, but repeated poor protection over time will. That's when problems like oil burning and noise begin to appear. Section 5: What mechanics often notice first. Sludge, burnt oil smell, and deposits are early signs of oil breakdown. Clean engines almost always belong to drivers who maintain their oil properly. Section 6: The oil change interval mistake. Long oil change intervals sound convenient, but real driving conditions break oil down faster. Stretching intervals too far is one of the fastest ways to increase engine wear. The silent problem: low oil level. Low oil is a hidden killer. Many engines burn oil slowly and most drivers never check it. When levels drop, lubrication fails and damage happens fast. Section 7: The cold engine habit that increases wear. Cold oil flows poorly. Driving aggressively right after startup increases wear instantly. A few minutes of gentle driving can make a huge difference. Section 8: Why oil filters matter. Oil filters trap harmful particles. Cheap filters miss smaller debris, allowing it to circulate and cause more wear over time. Section 9: The real lesson from the oil test. Here's the truth: consistency beats everything. Regular oil changes, proper levels, and basic care matter more than chasing the best oil brand. The warning signs drivers should never ignore. Ticking sounds, burning smells, or rising oil consumption are early warnings. Ignore them and small problems turn into expensive failures. In the end, engine oil isn't just maintenance, it's survival for your engine. And how you manage it determines whether your engine lasts 100,000 miles or 300,000.